what are my needs. So
Needs. Okay.
Oxygen.
Water, shelter, and clothing. Definitely.
Clothes, really good clothes. Then
I think money is something everyone
family.
needs.
Then
a laptop and internet and a phone.
It's a good friend circle.
And a dog. Any dog.
A need is something which with I can survive.
Need is something
you can't do without that.
Yeah, require. Wants.
my wants are like unlimited.
I want
More time, maybe.
pretty heels, pretty clothes, accessories.
Like Lamborghini or something.
Okay, so I want a room, I want a car, I want a swimming pool.
To break the restrictions, maybe.
Wants are my desires.
But want is something you can live or it's okay not to have it.
Because wants is something which will keep on increasing.
A human cannot be satisfied with anything.
Wants will be, for me, it is something very negative because I have what I need.
But the line between need and want would be it's a really thin line. Like it's almost like you can't define the line.
But wants will never stop and there's no line to it.
Like the amount we are asking for right now, over time, our children are like our generations to come will have nothing to even need. Like they can't even survive.
People they themselves create their own wants, and then they later it turns into a need.
So people are always self-centered and they would always want to succeed and want to grow more than their competitors in the market.
I, as an 18-year-old, run behind everything that I want. I don't think I run behind something that I need because that my parents have already provided.
Living in wants could kill you.
I think it's all that societal pressure that we have built for ourselves. Like earlier, we were living in a society wherein having enough was the motto. But right now, it's all, the success is all measured objectively. Even I do that. Like, I am no different.
Materialistically, he may be happy, but emotionally, to the extent, though we don't realize it, but at the back of our minds, all of us do know that emotionally we are not satisfied.
That is what development has done to us. We have gone to that extent. Even if we want to go back, we can't.
If you look at the larger picture, it's becoming more dependent than rather being self-sustained.
So that is what we are doing like now. We're behaving like childs. Like when we were children, if we wanted one thing, we just wanted it. We didn't see is it bad for us, is it good for us, we just wanted it.
We might be the wealthiest people in the society, but actually we really don't have anything. Let's look at fixing this issue.
The most we can do is try to spread awareness.
Basic question I will start with. It's a very cliche question, whether or not I want it.
You have to somehow manage the waste out. Like, you can recycle.
Maybe we can have a balance between both the worlds and find a more eco-friendly way of life.
But to bring a change.
Decide to change, then you will influence people around you. They will influence more people around them. So the change is not something that will come overnight. And as a team, we need to take it ahead from here.
It's going to be hard because we're all city bred and we're just so used to this system. But if we can adapt it for a change, I think we can. If we try, we can.
It can change like crazy.
It'll be hard, but I think we can.